We filming? All right, cool, good deal. Welcome, folks. Got a new Wrangler in just the other day. It's about to hit the market. Wanted to show it to you real quick little video. We're doing this on a cell phone, so forgive the quality, the sound. Our videos aren't super great anyways, but we're working on that. This is a 2012 Jeep Wrangler JK Sport model in Silverstone metallic. Since it's JK, it's obviously a two-door, soft top. This is a base model Jeep. This would be a great Jeep to modify if you wanted to do that. Totally clean slate. It is a one owner. Always been in Texas. It's from West Texas, actually, I believe, Odessa, Midland area. One owner, and believe it or not, this Jeep has only 6,600 miles on it. Yes, that is correct. 6,600 miles. One owner, hardly ever been driven, garage its whole life. This thing is completely clean. It still smells new on the inside. It looks new. It drives like new. So if you want a clean base model Jeep to basically do whatever you want to do with, whether you leave it stock and just drive it around town or turn it into an off-road beast, rock crawler, you can do that with it as well. But it is ready to go. Check this thing out. Since this is a 12, this is the first year of the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine, which is great because it's a big upgrade from the old 3.8 they were putting in to the models prior to 12. They put those in there from 7 to 11. Anyway, check it out. I'll let you see the engine bay real quick. As you can see, it's brand, well, not brand new, but it looks brand new. Only 6,600 miles. This thing's hardly been driven. She sounds like a top. I'll do a walk around video in a sec so you can hear the engine, but I didn't want it on while I was talking. Everything on this car is basically new looking. There's not a paint blemish, scratch, rock ding, nothing on this vehicle. It was shipped here actually on a truck. We didn't even drive it here, so because I didn't want to risk cracking the original factory windshield or dinging the paint, anything like that. Like I said, this is Silverstone metallic. Pretty cool color. The soft top is the original soft top. It's in great shape. These tires are the original factory tires, but they have almost no miles on them. They hold air, and they don't seem to have any issues, but they are old. So I wanted to go ahead and leave these, though, because I'm pretty sure whoever buys this is going to probably change these out. We just did an oil change on it, changed filters, full synthetic oil change. We do that with every Jeep we sell, whether it has 0 miles on it or 100,000 miles on it. Interior is immaculate. It's super, super clean. Obviously, this being a base Jeep, it's got manual locks, manual windows, which is great, though. You know, not very many electronics, less to brake. 6-speed manual transmission. Shifts awesome. Clutch is great. Check it out. It still has the factory plastic and the floor mats down here. As you can see, it's kind of dark in here, so this interior is dark. Is that coming through? I don't know. Okay, good. Anyways, back is in excellent condition. Doesn't look like this has hardly ever been used. Doesn't look like anybody's hardly ever stored anything back here. Like I said, this is a one-owner, low-mileage Jeep. It does have a tow package on it, which is nice. These don't tow a lot, but I particularly like them because I think they make really good recovery points if you're doing off-road. You can pull small stuff with them too, like a jet ski or a camper trailer. And when I say camper trailer, I mean like a Moby, like a small trailer. Let me start it up so you can hear it. One owner, rust-free, 6,000 mile Texas Jeep. Gotta love it. Super clean, basically brand new, drives like new. Come check it out. Also check it out on our website for more pictures. We have a ton of pictures coming up, johnstonmotorsales.com. Check out our Facebook page. Don't forget to like, tag, and share our YouTube channel. And have a great day, folks. Take care.